winner. And it's J.W. J.W. is the one who won the last contest of the drone. Seems like he's on a roll now. I can't give him full credit. I gotta give him some credit. Because he said he wasn't Indiana Jones. And he wasn't gonna go looking for no bird in no cave or no video or anything like that. So he said he wasn't going back to watch any back videos. So another person got that answer correctly. So I assume he read the comments and got the right answer from that. But what I do give him credit for is coming up with the second answer that no one guessed. Out of everyone who was trying to guess, he guessed it right. I was only looking for one answer. And yes, Travis is right. You have to have nice, neat, clean clothes and clean socks too. My friend across the pond, he mentioned. But I was only looking for one answer. And if you listen correctly, I said it doesn't have to be just window cleaning. See, I gave y'all hints, but y'all didn't put two and two together. Remember I said in the beginning, it's not just for window cleaners, this product. It's for anybody. For when you go in your home. Anyone could use this. And then in addition to that, I did say, in order to look professional, it's a good idea to have this is a must. It's a necessity for every window cleaner or every person that's cleaning, or just in general, if you want to keep your house clean. So without further ado or any delay, the answer to the second trivia question was you have to have booties on. Now, when you're cleaning a house, you can have booties on as well. It just looks good to the customer. When the customer sees that you care enough about their floor and tracking dirt in there, that's a win-win. A lot of people look at that. Don't never think that people ain't looking at your feet when you come in their house. They want to see if you ain't wearing no shoes with holes in them and they're all crooked, looking like they need a V8. They also want to see if you're going to track dirt all over the house. So when you put that on, that puts their mind at ease, because they say, oh, this guy is up about his business. He's up on the up and up. And that's one customer had told me. She didn't even tell me. She mentioned to another person who actually she referred me just based on that alone. And the fact that I also did a good job. She told that customer, and that customer called me, and I asked her, how'd you hear about me? She said, my friend, such and such, okay? And she says, you did a fabulous job, and you wore booties and all that. And I was shocked to hear her say that, because that meant that that person cared that I had booties on and I wasn't going to track dirt and mud after being outside, cleaning the windows and all that jazz, and then I'm coming inside, tracking all, whatever was on the grass and all that crap. People pay attention to that, believe it or not. So if you don't have booties, you better put it on your list of things to get for your business, especially if you're going to approach residential. But you don't necessarily have to have it for storefronts or restaurants, because they have a high volume of foot traffic. So it's kind of pointless to have that in there, you know, unless, of course, it's a brand new store and they get ready to have a grand opening. Then it might not be a bad idea, as long as your feet is clean. Excuse me. As long as your feet is clean. So I'm on my way to my job, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm giving away. It is a cool invention. It is neat. and I waited months and months for it. I guess it came by boat from Shanghai. It seems like everything comes from Shanghai. Well, I say Shanghai, but I just mean China in general. But it must have came by boat because it took a long time to get here. Or maybe it came by camel or panda or something. I don't know. They do have pandas in China, I think. But anyway, I'll see y'all when we get there. One thing is Silver 8-Bits got in on this contest. It seems like he watches every 2 or 3 days. But if he had got in on this contest, that's why if you miss a day or two, you could be missing some things that you might have wished you had watched earlier, you know? But I know he would have guessed it right. Silver 8-Bits has won the majority of my contests. He's won a good majority of them. But alright, we're almost there. Oh wow, this is a bar that I do. It looks like there was a lot of drunk people last night who couldn't drive home. Man, they were drinking their butt off last night then. All right. For those who want or need that item, I'm going to give out a discount. For those who are spending $40 or $60 or more in products, or if you got a crew and you want to buy them for the crew, you can get your money back if you're a business owner and make them pay for it and require everybody to have them. You know, you just don't throw them away. You can reuse them. And you could just get a towel with soap and water, whatever, and just wipe it. The material, you could just wipe it clean. But here's the coupon. You got to put the code in. This is a first come, first served basis. Once the code is put in, I imagine you can't get the discount. So it's out there for anyone who wants it. Here you go.